Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to edit Dawn theme on Shopify. The first thing you will need to do is go on your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, you're going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you will be redirected to the Themes page. Once on the Themes page, what I want you to do next is tap on Customize right here. Once you have tapped on Customize, you will be redirected to the Editor page. And on the Editor page, I want you to pay attention to some stuff. For example, you can see Home page right here at the top. If you were to tap on that, you will see the different pages. So you can select any one of these pages that you would like to edit. I will be selecting each page and show you how you can make different changes to each page. Also, in the top right hand corner, you can change the view. For example, it is currently on desktop view. If you would like to view it in mobile, you could tap on mobile right there. Another thing that you can also pay attention to is the left hand menu option. At the moment, it is on home page, but let's say, for example, we would like to edit some other stuff, like for example the background color or so on. To make changes to that, you're going to tap on the settings cog that says theme settings. From here, you'll be able to add a logo by simply tapping on logo. You could upload a logo, or you could add a free logo by simply tapping on select free images. You can also add a Firecon image if you want. And for example, if I were to tap on explore images and tap on shop right here, then let's say I would like to add this image as my Firecon, I could do that, then tap on select. And the Firecon is the small image that you will see in the URL section at the top right here. So for example, if I were to refresh this page, let me do that real quick, you will see the Firecon right here. So that is the Firecon. Let me refresh the page real quick. By the way, let me save it. I didn't save the changes, so let me save it. Once I've saved it, if I were to refresh the page, you will see it in the top right here. So let me do that real quick. Once I refresh the page, you will see the image right beside my store. You can see it right there. That is what is called a Firecon. So that is how to add the Firecon. Another thing that you could also do is you can change the background color by tapping on colors. You could select the color that you want, and you can also change the text color. And by tapping on typography, you will be able to change the font size, and you can also change the font style. So you can see assistant right here. You could tap on change. Then from there, you can select the font style that you would like to use. So for example, if I were to tap on that, you can see the font style has now changed. Another thing that you could also do, let me leave it as is, you could simply scroll down, you can tap on layout, and you can change the basic layout, but I would normally recommend that you leave it as is. You can also add animations if you want by tapping on animations right there. So if you would like to add a hover effect, you can do that by simply tapping whether you would like it to be a vertical lift or a 3D lift. You can add a hover effect. You can also edit buttons by tapping on buttons. You can change the thickness. You can also add a shadow if you want, and you can also make it blur. And by scrolling down, you can see that you can edit numerous options. You can edit the product cards by tapping right there. You can change the style from standard to a different style. You can also change the background color of the product page, and again the text color of the product page. Another thing that I also want you to do is scroll all the way down, and by scrolling all the way down, you can tap on social media, and from here you'll be able to add all of your social links, as you can see right there. After you have added your social links, I will show you later on in the tutorial how to make your social links appear at the top search bar or either in the footer section. You can also change the currency format from this section, and you can also make changes to the checkout page if you want. For example, you could add a background image to the checkout page. You can also add a custom image logo, and you can also change the positioning and the logo size if you want. and you can also change the background color if you want in the checkout page, as you can see right there. So there are numerous editing options. Once you have done all of that, now let's say I would like to add a second announcement bar. All I would have to do, right where you see announcement bar, you're going to tap right there. Then you'll tap on add announcement, and you can see a second announcement bar has been added. Now if you would like your announcement bar to auto rotate, or if you would like to add or change the text and add a link, all you'll need to do is tap on welcome to our store. Then from there you could tap in the text box and you could make the changes. If you would like to add a link, you could tap in the link box and you could paste an external link if you want, or you could choose which page you would like to link it to. So for example, let's say I would like to link it to a particular collection. I could do that by tapping on all collections, then selecting the collection page. Now to make it auto rotate, you're going to tap on announcement bar at the top. Then from there you can also change the background color. For example, by tapping on edit, I could tap on background, and let's say I would like to change the background color to this color right here, blue. I would simply tap on blue. But the thing that I don't like about this change is it automatically changes the background color for other sections. But I've done tutorials on how to change the announcement bar section or the header background color only. So you can watch that tutorial by simply searching for it on my channel. And you can also choose whether you would like to show icons on desktop by tapping right there. And to get it to auto rotate, you'll simply tap on that box and you can choose the seconds that you would like it to auto rotate. And again, you will tap on theme settings down here to show the to show your social media icons. You'll tap on theme settings right there. Another thing that you could also do is if you would like to add a slideshow, you can do that. All you'll need to do is simply scroll down, and right where you see featured collection, you're going to tap on add sections. Then from there you could tap right where you see slideshow, and after you have tapped on slideshow, let's say I were to do that, all you'll need to do now, you could simply drag the slideshow up to where you'd want it, and you will tap on image slide, and from there you could select the images that you would like to add to your slideshow. You can either tap on select image, or you could explore free images that are available. Once you have done that, let's say you would like to remove the image banner that will automatically be added to your Dawn theme. All you'll need to do is tap right where you see the eye icon to remove it, and then you could simply tap on the 6 dots and you'll be able to drag your slideshow into position, as you can see that I've done right here. So this is my slideshow. Another thing that you can also edit is, as you can see, the featured products. Let's say you would like to change the order of the featured products. To do that, all you'll need to do, first tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then we're going to tap on exit in the top left hand corner to come out of the editor page. Once we're out of the editor page, we're going to tap on products. After tapping on products, you're going to select collection. Once you have selected collection, Shopify is going to automatically create a home page collection, and that is going to be the featured products that you'll automatically see. But if you would like to create a completely new collection, you could tap on create collection, and from there you could add your collection name, and then you can create a complete collection. But let's say we want to change the order of the current collection, which is the home page. We're going to tap on home page. After you have done that, you're going to tap on sort, and yours is going to be automatically showing best selling. But I want you to tap on that and you're going to change it to manual. Once you have changed it to manual, you're going to see 6 dots beside each product, and you will simply tap on the product and you can move it into the order that you want, as you can see right there, and it will automatically be saved. So if I were to go back to my store right here, you can see the collection order at the moment, and if I were to refresh the page, you will realize that the collection order has now changed, and you can change it to whatever way you want. So let's say I would like this to be at the bottom, Then if I were to go back and refresh the page, you can see that it is now the third option right there. Another thing that you could also do from this section is go again once more and you're going to tap on online store. Once you have selected online store, from here you could select navigation, and this will allow you to edit your header section or the menu section better yet. By tapping on navigation, you can see the footer menu and you can see the main menu. If you would like to make changes to either section, you can tap on the main menu right here. After you have tapped on the main menu, you can see the links. If you would like to add something else, you could tap on add menu item. Then from there, you can search for the page that you would like to add. Also, if you would like to create a drop-down menu, all you'll need to do, for example, you could simply slide it to the right here and put it right below catalog, and it will automatically create a drop-down menu. For example, if I were to tap on save in the top right hand corner, then go back into this page, which is the example page, and refresh it, you'll realize that I've now created a drop-down menu. Let me refresh the page real quick. And normally it will change to a drop-down menu, but some of the time it does take a few seconds. Now, to make any other changes, you're going to tap right on online store once more. Then once on the themes page, you're going to tap on customize again, and we want to go back into editor. Once back in editor, you're going to tap on home page, as I'll be showing you how to make changes to, for example, the products page. And by the way, once you have tapped on products and you have selected default product, any changes that you make to this page will automatically affect all of your product pages. So for example, you can scroll down, and if you would like to add or hide a particular section, so let's say you would like to hide the text right here, you could simply tap on the eye icon to hide the text, as you can see right there. And also you can scroll down, and if you would like to add another section, you can do that by tapping on add section. So for example, if you would like to add a slideshow to your product page, you can do that. If you would like to add a featured collection, you can do that. Or if you would like to add an image or a collage, you can also do that. And once you have made any changes, all you'll need to do is tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once you have done all of that, we're going to simply go back, and then you're going to tap right where you see default product once more. And you could go onto collections, then you will tap on default collections, and from here again you will see all of the editing options on the left hand column right here, and you can simply tap on the section that you would like to edit, for example the collection banner, and you can see show collection description, show collection image. You can select whether you'd want to do that. And by tapping on theme settings, you can also see reveal section on roll. You can select whether you would like that to be available or not. And that is basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.